Which of these words describes a severe snowstorm? Blizzard, tsunami, tornado, or typhoon? Okay, correct answer A, B, C, or D. Correct answer is blizzard. Which of these electrical appliances is one of the Varta, Duracell, and Energizer brands? Flashlight, battery, lamp, or water dispenser? B, battery, final answer. Which of these words means the street entertainer? Bluster, bolster, boulder, or busker? D, busker, final answer. Introduced in 1930s, Snap, Crackle, and Pop are cartoon mascots for a brand of what product? Breakfast cereal, shampoo, board game, or washing powder? A, breakfast cereal, final answer. Who will usually be asked to give you a shorter back and sides? Manicurist, barber, optician, or chiropractor? B, barber, final answer. What is the capital city of Germany? Berlin, Moscow, Edinburgh, or Athens? A, Berlin, final answer. In which famous dish is the main ingredient wrapped in puff pastry? Lobster thermidor, chicken provençal, lamb souvlaki, or beef wellington? D, beef wellington, final answer. Which of these articles of clothing is what goes before conveyor, seat, and asterisk to make well-known phrases? Bikini, blouse, belt, or boots? C, belt, final answer. Which of these relations is the opposite of sister? Uncle, brother, nephew, or son? B, brother, final answer. A lion is not depicted in the logo for which of these brands? Metro Goldwyn Mayer, Burberry, Peugeot, or Premier League? 50-50. Computer, please take away 2 of the wrong answers. Burberry or Peugeot? B, Burberry, final answer. Which country's name means 2 seas? Panama, Oman, Bahrain, or Thailand? C, Bahrain, final answer. Which of these animals is a type of reptile? Bearded dragon, beluga whale, basking shark, or bald eagle? A, bearded dragon, final answer. Who is the singer who has won the most Grammy Awards? Michael Jackson, Elvis Presley, Madonna, or Beyonce? D, Beyonce, final answer. When the switch that allowed Apollo 11 to take off from the moon accidentally broke, which of these did Buzz Aldrin use instead the broken switch, enabling the shuttle to take off from the moon? Thermometer, wedding ring, ballpoint pen, or toothbrush? C, ballpoint pen, final answer. B-52 Stratofortress was produced by which aircraft company? Boeing, Bombardier, Airbus, or Lockheed Martin? C. Airbus. Final answer. Okay, correct answer is Boeing. $2, please.